Imagine setting out on a journey across a massive bridge. On one side is belief, what you think is possible. On the other is action, the steps that get you to your destination. The bridge itself is how you feel. If the bridge is weak with doubt or fear, it'll collapse before you reach the other side. At first, it seems like belief and action are all you need. But here's the truth. How you feel determines whether you'll follow through. Positive feelings, like hope and determination, strengthen your bridge, while negative ones weaken it. What you feel fuels the journey from belief to action. Success isn't just about what you believe or do. It's about how you align your emotions to keep moving forward. Are your feelings supporting your dreams or sabotaging them? When doubt arises, pause and ask, what's one positive emotion I can choose right now? Focus on gratitude or excitement for what's possible. If you nurture empowering belief and positive emotions, your actions will soar. If you let doubt take over, your bridge will crumble. Share in the comments one feeling you'll focus on today. Like and share this message to inspire others to strengthen their bridge. It's time to work on your purpose.